I'm Sammy, founder of the Probate Division here in Arizona, and I help attorneys and their clients navigate the probate process so that we can take all of this legal jargon and very expensive process and cut it down into bite-sized videos for you to better understand what to expect when becoming a personal representative. And one of the biggest questions families ask me when selling a house through probate is, what happens if it needs fixes or repairs? And am I required to fix that? It's a great question. The short answer is no. You don't have to fix everything. You don't have to fix anything. See, in most probate cases, it's not required. So let's break down, what do I mean by that, and what can you expect as far as what you need to pay? When it comes to the condition of the home, here's the reality. Many probate properties need work. Maybe the roof has seen better days, the air conditioner rattles like a maraca, or the kitchen hasn't been updated since the 80s. The reality of why these properties are here is someone's passed away and they may have been dealing with medical issues not allowing them to maintain the property. And that's okay. Buyers in the probate market expect it. The home can still be sold as is without the estate being required to make a single repair. Here is the myth of required repairs. A lot of families think they're obligated to fix the home up before it sells, and that's not true. The probate course does not force you to replace carpets. They do not force you to repaint walls or upgrade the fridge. Those decisions are strategic choices, not legal requirements. So sometimes making small, inexpensive fixes like patching a wall or cleaning up the yard can make the home more appealing and sell quicker. But major renovations, they're rarely worth the risk, especially when you take into account who's footing the bill, which is you. So what are your questions? Number one, sell to an as-is investor. Investors love homes that need work, you guys. They'll buy the property in its current condition, handle the repairs themselves, and pay cash. It's fast, simple, and stress-free. The downside is it's usually less than the home is worth. Number two, list as is, but on the open market. You'd be surprised how many buyers are willing to purchase a home as is, especially here in the state of Arizona. Some buyers want a fixer-upper. Others just want to get into a neighborhood and they'll tackle the repairs later. And number three, do selective fixes. If the estate or the home has the time and the resources sitting around, sometimes it makes sense to spend a little bit of it on fresh paint or carpet. That can boost a sales price. But the key is knowing which fixes add value and which drain value, and what to pay for these items. So this is where things get tricky for families. The traditional realtor or friend in the family that has a license will often be taught one way of doing business. Fix it all, paint it all, make it like HGTV. Because that's how they approach most retail home sales in their business. But in probate, that advice can create more problems than it solves. The estate could spend thousands of dollars only to find out the market's not going to pay them back for the money they invested. So as a probate real estate specialist, my role is to analyze the property and the estate's priorities and what market are we in. Sometimes the smartest play is to sell the home completely as is. Other times, small investments might make sense. But we always run the numbers before making a suggestion. This will help set the expectation. So the bottom line in repairs, if you're selling a house through probate in Arizona, you're not required to fix anything. You do have options. Remember, there's the speedy, fast, simple investor cash offer. These guys cold call you. There's the selling it on the open market as is. This is a good option for most people. Or there's making several repairs to the home to increase the price. The key is knowing which path saves time, reduces the family stress, and gets the estate the best outcome. That's exactly what we do here at the Probate Division. So my name's Sammy. Please like and subscribe to the video and let me know if there's any unique situation that you would like me to address for you.